Today, the market is positive. All share index is up 1.02%. Top gainers, we have Transcohort, we have Better Glass, we have MC Nicole PLC, we have Veritas Cap, we have Multiverse, we have top losers, we have Cornell, Eternal, Jais Bank, Prestige Assurance, and Charms. Effiong Gekop, the market, finally, day 4 of the week, the market is up 1.02%. What's your reaction to this?
Well, it's very good. After 3 days of low trades, we've seen the change that the market just swing over as it used to be. You know, the character of the market up, down, and then stable. So 3 days, that means the average prices have really come down to some extent. And those who are really studying the market and wants to enter, they may be now entering at a kind of premium. It's good. You know, today's trade is on the back of, you know, big performances by Transcorp, MTN Nigeria, Cornell, First Bank Group, GT Group, Access Corporation. These big ones have come to the market, and they are very, very weighty in their own ways, and they lift up the market. You see positive prices returning to the exchange. It's very nice. But then cautious trading will still prevail in the market, because you've seen the society being, you know, sensitized that politicians, they are doing their thing. Politics is in the corner. So now you've got to do great analysis, and you know, you look very well before you leap. That's the way not to burn your fingers, because so many things, we have a lot of crises in the economy. So we've got to be careful. So market just rebound, market just recover, you know, the lost grounds of 3 days. If you ask me, will we, you know, see it this way tomorrow? I cannot say yes, I cannot say no, because you, as at this time, with the environmental situation, you will not be able to predict the direction that the market will go, except the morning of that day. Then you see, if we have so many of the gainers on the upper side, and then you can say, oh, this market is going to close positive. Otherwise, we wait till tomorrow. As it is now, those who wanted profit from the markets, the window had been opened for about 4 weeks for them, and they had already taken. So those playing the markets now, there are those who think of the future. They cash in on lower prices to build the portfolio again, so that they see what will happen. Indeed, you know, by the end of this month, we are going to have, hopefully, flag bearers, you know, of all the political parties. So Tulu, any moment from now, the markets will be somehow depressed in response to this political development. Politics we must do, because we've got to bring in new crop of leaders, you know, into government. Good. And as I used to say, those who play politics somehow, they may not care so much about the economy. So that is it. So companies, manufacturing companies, I see them, they are still managing to do very well. But do we still need to pay attention to upgrading of infrastructure for them, especially electricity? And I think aviation people are also complaining.
Yes. They're saying that the economy ticket might go for as much as
very
100,000
now.
For
and then
economy.
When you take that one with inflation and then the exchange rates, you know, they frighten investors. If you put all of them in a basket, you will not give any investor any takes easily. And so those who are going to the market, they have daunting hearts, they have strong hearts, they look to the future, you know, they would stand it.
So it could be a good idea to sit on the fence and just look at what's happening.
Exactly, because you don't want to lose money. If you don't want to burn your fingers, you've got to watch a lot. See, the time now, these few weeks, you've got to see, let's know those that will be leading the political parties. That's the most important thing for fund managers now. That's the way we'll go. You've got to gauge the year, and then you weigh the measures. Yes, so many of the political parties, you will know, you know, those that are leading, and then you begin to study, and then the pronouncements that they will make on the economy, what they think they will do when they come into offices, you know, then it will give briefing to, you know, the markets.
Amos, thank you so much. If you can get up there, my colleague, we'll continue this discussion.
Yes, up there.
All right.